Oh yeah, check out what I got to build mini bikes. I am so pumped on the table. It took a while to get it, but I got some fixtures and clamps and stuff to make stuff square and build mini bikes and whatever. Honestly, the mini bikes was just kind of the start, to be honest, because I got the Bridgeport and I kind of went crazy. I started with this one and then built a couple trikes, and this is a brand new mini bike. So I've been on the road racing and I haven't had a whole lot of time to mess with mini bikes, but I love my mini bikes. It kind of got me started, you know, with my Bridgeport, giving me something to build. And I just like to build stuff, you know, and the table will help me build whatever I want and clamp stuff down and have fixtures. But I just got done working on the chain because these things kind of have chain problems. And a lot of my problem was the clutch. It was actually catching on these. You can kind of see a couple nicks on there. And it was just throwing it off at here. And then it was all not happy, and it didn't take but a week to toss the chain because it was all bound up on this. So I put another clutch on it, a nice clutch. If you're having issues with a chain, it's pretty simple to just, you know, roll it and see how it's going, and you can hear it a lot of the time. And right now that's really nice. So I should be good on the chain. A little bit of play. It's tight in one spot, but the chain's brand new, so to loosen it up, a little bit of play. On the other mini bike that I have for sale, and I would love to sell, I put a roller on there, so that should kill the slop to here. But I haven't really ran that one too much to test it out. Did the same thing on the trike, this trike, and it seemed to help, and haven't had any issues. I got some covers from Go Power Sports to throw on this, and I was gonna hop on this thing and go bang some wheelies. I haven't got to ride this thing a whole lot. I was at the racetrack, I didn't have a helmet on, I didn't have gloves, and so I'm getting ready to go for a little drive. It's been cold, as you can see. I got a fire going in here because it's like 40 degrees in my shop, but about to go bang some wheelies because it's warming up outside, and it stopped raining and it's starting to dry out a little bit. So I walked outside and it was raining. So I ran some old footage there, and a lot happens in just a little bit of time because my race this weekend canceled. Chuck was headed down to letter a couple cars, and so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna join Chuck because he's lettering cars that I'm driving. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna get the cars lettered and see what that's all about, because I know I don't talk about Chuck a lot, but Chuck's pretty good at lettering. You gonna show us how to do this?
I think I can figure it out.
I'm gonna figure it out. He knows how to do it. And I just dropped the kids off, and it's time to go work on the race car up in Michigan. This week is gonna be a lot of working on race cars because I just got off the phone with Dave, and Dave is going to pick up the Engler Ford from North Carolina where they're built. So I think I'm gonna hop along with him and go check out their shop because I hear it's absolutely epic. And I got a lot going on this week. I think I'm gonna start building the sprint car. Don is part of, you know, my sprint car deal, the car I have at home. So I'm going up there, I'm gonna get some motivation. We're gonna get his 2 cars lettered up, and I'm gonna work on my car this week and a bunch of different stuff because the rain is just making everything wet and we're not racing right now. So as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. A lot of stuff coming up this week. There it is. The trike is done.